All right. So I have officially updated all the audio. This will probably be a quick video just to verify that everything works when I upload it onto YouTube. And we'll just run in real quick and probably die. We'll fucking see. You know, it is what it is. About to get down. Let's do it. Connected, trying to join game. Makes me wonder if I should just throw that background music on that the game provides.
I still had.
Oh. He still has it.
Fucking Snapchat ads.
Ah.
Welcome to the DMZ. Explore, secure intel, and loot to gain access to new missions.
Right.
Enemy threat is high, so expect contact.
We got this shit.
Oh, hold on. I'm sorry. One second. I'll be right back.
Contract.
What's up?
I'm trying to find the fucking NPCs. Shit. Got his ass. No, give me my knife back.
Alright. Sorry for that.
Okay.
You're running knives? Throwing knives?
The throwing knife, yeah. Because I didn't put a weapon to take in.
I was trying them out. Like, I did it last round and I'm doing it this round just because I want to see. Because I was watching someone and they were just fucking. Like, fucking people up with them. Oh. Someone was sniping me as I was trying to run up that ladder.
Wait, you're all the way over there? Someone sniping. Wait, what?
Yeah, I think he's over there somewhere.
Oh, I see him. I don't have my loadout.
Yeah, I don't have shit either. Oh well.
I nearly knocked him.
Nice. We'll just do what we can and what we can't we won't. Yeah?
He's right here. I'm gonna kill his ass. I'm gonna give him the chance.
Oh, you joined, huh? Hey, were you the one
I'm a
sniping
good
me?
buddy, okay? I don't care. Yeah, that was the guy that sniped you.
Alright. Pew pew pew. So it's not his.
I'll go help him.
Be careful though, cause that's not the team who we
Yeah.
just.
Ultra One, enemy threat appears low in this area.
I think we're full now.
Ultra
No,
One,
we're
there's a
at 5.
On me, on me, on me.
with a
Real
weapons
people.
case nearby. Additional team members, sit tight.
Oh, that makes me sad. That you can't like hack their tower and take it from them. That'd be hella cool.
You're getting fucked over there.
We have
Let
room
me get
for
this guy's gun.
one more if we want to save somebody.
Yeah, save one.
Bro, please. You want to fire me? You guys are firing me, Come on, dude.
You wanna join our team?
Yeah, we want to join, please.
Is it this one?
Yeah, that's me, that's me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're the last guy we can save, bro. So I hope you didn't have a
Yeah.
squad.
Bot, please for help.
Armor satchel here.
Oh, here he is. I'm gonna reach. Bot, go to party chat.
Yeah, 'cause we're at 6.
I've never done that, but I really didn't want to kill anyone.
This
there
guy's
some other
body's
people
still
that
here,
did have their loader.
and he wants
Yeah,
to be
he's probably
saved.
gonna get.
but-
We don't have any room.
Oh,
Yeah.
bot, are you there?
We're out
I
of
don't know if
space,
he's there or
dude.
not.
We don't have any more
They
spots
can't
on our
hear
team.
you anymore. Yeah.
Ah,
Wait, can you
dang.
hear him? I can't hear him
Yeah,
anymore.
yeah, he's talking to me.
I
Around the site.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you good, man. Again.
There are enemy operators on me. I got Crocs chat.
Oh, can we go take the briefcase?
Dude, I don't want this WoW MG anymore. I want to take that Shamura. Ah! Bro, I'm being sniped.
I think it died. It's mine. Okay, come get it.
Wait, do you have it? The new gun? Oh shit.
Bro, why isn't there no free plates anywhere? Oh, seriously?
Does anyone have the new gun unlocked? The new pistol?
The FS Magna?
The outer one? I don't know what it's called.
I'm thinking it's the...
Holy shit! I'm thinking
I've only...
there's actually somebody on me. Cause I'm like one hit till death. Those guys
Where are you?
fucking
Oh, you're
nuts.
over there.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah, they are.
fucking see. Alright.
There's
Maybe.
literally no. You're getting fucked by a
Yeah, I'll
ghost.
be AFK for a second.
That's cool.
That was weird.
Yo, we need to find that guts though.
A pistol?
Yeah.
What kind?
It's an auto pistol.
Oh, you want the
Is that new?
X13?
Is
Like,
that new?
Oh, the fucking
no, not the X13, the new one.
yeah, yeah. Holy shit. That's my
I'm good. Still have no idea what the fuck you're getting shot by.
It's fucking bots, dude. There's a bunch of them, and I don't have any plates.
We cleared this place. There's two people over here. I'm gonna clear it.
Plates.
Ultra One, we're seeing enemy operators near your location.
Yeah, I got a flip box, buddy. What do you got?
I'm in the building looking for shit. There's a large backpack.
Here.
Ultra One, actual.
We got people at the rockets for sure.
Ultra One, positive impact, aircraft destroyed. The cargo is marked on your TAC map.
Thank you.
The fuck is
Be
it?
advised, enemy attack helo is heading your way.
Alright, are you guys working on anything other than finding the pistol?
No, that's the only reason why I came on this.
There's a mask in here.
Ultra One, be advised, enemy operators.
How about you, B?
Ultra One, enemy threat is moderate near your location. Ultra One, actual. Set security around the site. We're acquiring the signal now.
There should be people around. Watch out.
How do you get the pistol?
You have to extract it from here somewhere. It should be somewhere.
Near your position.
Oh, okay.
I have no idea where it is though.
You just gotta find
Yeah,
it.
you just find it and extract it.
You've entered a denied area. Stay sharp. low in the area.
Oh, that's just taking forever. I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna check if it's in there, maybe. You're so fucking
This is
far.
West, right? 2-plate west.
I have a 3. We all have 3s.
Oh, shit.
Range.
All Ultra, SAM site secure. Ready to engage enemy aircraft. Ultra One, be advised. A squad of operators is near your location. Ultra One, be advised. Threat level is high in this AO. Expect contact.
You guys, if you guys find a 3-plate, can use it? Cause I have one on me, but I'm using it for my friend that you guys killed and looted.
Be in the area. Stay sharp.
So I need 3-plate and 100. Oh my god, bro.
Effective fire.
No!
Was it actuals?
Yeah, it's an extra player. He got fucked real hard.
Your squad is Ultra One. We lost control of the SAM.
Ah!
There in the
Oh, you killed him.
Yeah, Reiner's really good. Just don't worry when you're with him.
Yeah.